And UP now will go for Haboneta, who will score the first point.
It's a good start. It's a good technique for Haboneta.
Who has played different
Yes.
positions nung first game niya, Magi, versus Adamson. Libero siya nung game na yon. Slide attack for Nina Itang.
All 5 siblings in sports, success is always shared and pushed. Sabi niya, kapag may na-achieve ang isa sa amin, mas kinaganahan kami lahat. Never siya naging competitions take a backseat to one goal, the Final Four. That is our Sunsilk Courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Naji.
Thank you so much, Frankie. That's inside, or there's a check ball for Joya Seo. So now Itang will serve 4, serving 3. And not the best first ball there. That's a service ace for UP.
Quite important kasi alam natin that Ado is number 2 in reception. They want to challenge the reception.
Right now they're doing that, and Bien Bancil will score from the middle. UP on a roll early on.
Double the blocks compared to FEU. And for a team that has long relied on one of the UAP's most dependable blockers, and Nina Itang, this season tells a different story because now beside her is Bien Bancil. Although Bien missed 2 games this season, didn't even start and won, but still finds herself 3rd among the league's best. This is our Sunsilk Courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sweet with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Magi.
Thank you so much, Cheska. Well, 30 kill blocks in the season. Oh my God. Natura, mapapa, oh my gosh.
It's just really there.
Mga Limutan, going to Olango. Blockers have been on point here for the Lady Falcons. That's another kill block.
Faye Sagaysay has been contributing in every department here in her team.
That's the official skincare of UAP Season 88 Volleyball.
Both of these teams are starting their serves aggressive since a while ago. And that was a soft touch for Kian Olango.
Parang dynamic duo
Yes.
in the middle blocker position. Sagaysay, speaking of middle blockers, we are tied again at 8. Good first pass. Bibigay kay Gajero. Coverage there. Olango sends it over. Sagaysay, same play, same result para kay Dote.
You have 2 spikers from the other side. Bakit mo sasabayan yung setter? And that's the threat that Faye Sagaysay gave in their last game.
20 plus excellent sets in 3 sets.
And 7 big points.
Mordi had to use her left hand. Olango from the right pin.
They really have to work for it.
That's right. Dote now serving. Jazz one-handed set. And guess who? Bien Bancil. Have to talk about more as the game progresses here. Sagaysay, number 1 server in the UAAP with a service ace. I mean, Faye Sagaysay has been a service queen here.
They want to take advantage that Nina Itang is in front.
Good pass by Mordi. Back row Natura. So 3-point lead, 14 serving 11. Jazz, Itang, Natura right there to cover. Sagaysay, Shaina with a cross-court kill.
Out of system, no problem for Shaina Nitura. And going back to that timeout, that they want to keep that block stable because they care of more of the defense of UP.
Sagaysay will
Good
set.
set!
Nitura, it's still good. Balik sa Adamson. Faye this time will go back to Shaina Nitura. 88. And hope to see her back next season. In the meantime, ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Eloy Dote. And now it's 3rd to Dow serving. 3-point lead for the Lady Falcons. Olango from the left pin. Well, height is might
Yes.
for Pina Ali, the tallest player of UP. Madriaga is also inside. Olango popped up by Mordi. Natura elevates. Olango! What a dig by Aposaga. Sagaysay, it's still in play. One more try here for Adamson. Sagaysay will set. Natura with a putaway. Adamson, not talked about as much. Number 2 in digging. We know they could serve though. They are number 1 in serving. Hernandez is inside for the first time playing libero. Joya Seo now with 5 points and still serving. Kizzy to Kian. Sagaysay was right there. Stable first pass. Good check there by Olango. Jazz sends it back to Kian, who has been the bright spot for the UP Fighting Maroons. Set number 1. Not the best first ball there. Netura out of system. Almost. Regalo for Kian Olango. 22-18 is the score. 4-point lead for the Lady Falcons. And a couple of points by Olango. That's the lead down to 4 until Netura happened. You just know Shaina Netura. She wants to experience the Final Four here in the UAAP. A girl on a mission. Speaking of, no entry.
Says no in that block.
4 points na rin. Ito si Eloy Dote. Set point for Adamson. Jazz kneeling set. Olango. Faye this time. High set for Mordi. Bring it on! Bring it on! Sabi ni Francis Mordi.